Hi, I'm Justin from Decor Blinds and Curtains. Welcome to our series of how-to videos. Today we're going to show you how to take down and reinstall your aluminium Venetian blind. So to take down the blinds, first of all you need to locate the bracket positions. Be conscious that if the blind is too wide for you to handle easily, we suggest that you get some help. That way you won't damage the blind or any of the surroundings. So we will locate the brackets in these positions. First of all, open up your blind, pull your blind up, pull the blind most of the way to the top so that it allows you to get your fingers in between. Put your fingers near the brackets, push towards the wall and tilt the back of the head box out, then lift the blind down. You can then pull your blind all the way up, wrap the cords around the end of your blind, and that will ensure that they've been stored easily and safely. Now to reinstall your blind, unwrap the cords from around your blind, lower the blind just slightly to allow your fingers in between. If you used two people to take the blind down previously, you will need to do the same again to avoid the blind being damaged. Put the front edge of the head box into the brackets, push back on the head box with the back clicking up and lowering your blind. Please remember to be super careful with aluminium Venetians because once the slats become bent, it's very hard to bend them back into position and can look unsightly.